Luxury is the opportunity to experience quality. A quality life is freedom. Luxury is in each detail. Luxury brings liberty. Liberty to explore, to create, to upgrade. Flourishing businesses and self-improvement can bring about this luxury. The popular saying, "Work hard, play harder," couldn't be more true. Welcome to Fluidluxe, the destination of luxury and business. Still wondering what Fluidluxe is all about? We are a community of business, luxury, you, and harmonious people across the world, building, improving, partaking and luxuriating a finer quality life for self-betterment and the community at large. Be part of our history. You are welcome to join the far-reaching circle of business, lifestyle, and luxury believers. Fluidluxe is business. Fluidluxe is luxury.